How to seduce Aquarius man. Every girl who has a deal with this guy might be dreaming of having the relationships with him, but it's not so easy to get him to commit as you could imagine. Seducing Aquarius man, you should always remember, this guy doesn't care about your look and appearance. You can rather hook him by means of your intellect and inapproachability instead of showing your makeup and manicure. Besides that, you can dress even old school jeans and black shoes in order to attract him. Aquarius is a very curious guy, that's why he will notice you in the crowd because of your unusual clothes. So if you understand what I mean, you always have to be different in order to keep him interested in you. Aquarius is a man who is also driven to mysterious and unusual women automatically. They always make him think like, how can I get this girl? What should I tell her in order to make her interested? When Aquarius is talking to you, don't hurry up to reveal everything about your character. Just show him that you are not like other women. In order to seduce Aquarius man fast, you should demonstrate him your education and good manners. But don't exaggerate playing a role of the most clever lady in the world. It can push him away. That's why you need to be original and extraordinary personality, behaving like simple girl at the same time. If you want to have serious relationships with Aquarius man, first you have to prove him your intentions as if you are his best friend. After that, you can start giving him a hint about your intimate wishes, because sexual relationships is not what can seduce Aquarius man, especially if you are a stranger for him. In order to become his friend, you have to share your hobbies and interests with him, and let him feel more freedom in the relationships. Aquarius man highly appreciates the independence from everything and everyone, so that is the key to a fast seduction when you have a deal with this guy. But if you are interested in one night stand with your Aquarius man, that is completely another story. It is possible if you show him your superficial attitude without emotional addiction, then your chances to spend a night with him can be extremely increased. But don't even try to make him fall in love with you. He doesn't like persistent women. Just show him your unusual behavior and mystery. After that, he will be interested to have something spiritual with you. In order to succeed with Aquarius man, don't try to make him jealous to other guys. He doesn't care about that. If you really want to hit his interest to you, just be enigmatical girl, have the discussions on the most interesting topics, show him your knowledge and education of any kind of subject, and after that he will be attracted to you immediately. Remember, more distant you are from Aquarius guy, longer he will be fighting for your character understanding, because simplicity and revealed facts on something or someone, it is the only stuff which he doesn't pay his attention on. Meanwhile, unpredictability is exactly what can seduce an Aquarius man. It gives him a challenge to start discovering something that is hard to learn and understand. Seducing Aquarius man, sometimes it's quite complicated to understand what he has on his mind, because his thoughts and behavior are constantly changeable. After all, it's clear you have a deal with a sign of air.